In order to download the installation or the explored view of all your cabinetry, select the Production tab and therein click on the installation icon in the toolbar. In the left-hand panel, select Exploded View. It will then be downloaded as a PDF format in your file browser. Open your file browser and open the document in your download section. Now, as you can see, a PDF file will open wherein you will see all the cabinetry as well as their exploded view of all the panels. You can see the product name, the overall dimensions and model number, etc. And the numbered elements of the cabinetry will be visible in the next page table where you will see the reference number and their corresponding item name, such as the hardware used as well as the different panels used.